to all our viewers. You are watching Project Talk webinar by PropTiger, where we connect our buyers with the best in the industry. I am Surabhi Gupta, your host, and today we are joined by expert panelists from Signature Global Group. I would like to introduce Mr. Pradeep Kaur, VP Sales and Marketing, Mr. Deepak Singh, DGM Sales and Marketing, Ms. Geeta Tiwari, DGM Sales and Marketing. From PropTiger, we are joined by Mr. Sunny Gupta, Regional Head. Warm welcome to all our panelists. Now, Signature Global is known for creating some of the best affordable housing options in India. Signature Global projects include ideal location, impeccable quality of construction, and reasonable prices. PropTiger is India's leading real estate advisory firm to have served more than 25,000 home buyers throughout their journey at zero brokerage for customers. May I request Team Signature Global and Mr. Gupta to go ahead with a brief introduction of the companies that they are representing. Starting with Mr. Pradeep.
Thank you, Surabhi. My name is Pradeep. I'm from Signature Global. So about the Signature Global is a 21st century real estate infrastructure development company that emphasizes of creating values of reliability, responsibility, and global standards. Established in 2011 with our offices in Delhi, Gurgaon. It has been working, the company has outlined its vision for the India of tomorrow with a mission of making India affordable. Har parivar ek ghar. Apart from this, in the last 5 years, the company has successfully launched more than 18 affordable housing projects, all in prime location in Delhi NCR. Apart from this, company has number of projects in Karnal, in Haryana, and a commercial mall in Vaishali, Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh. The company has successfully delivered 3 projects with the name of Sulera, Senaras, and Indoor Heights in Gurgaon. And offer of position is in Sunrise in Karnal, before the number of months by the scheduled time of positions. As per the norms of Haryana Affordable Housing, the project's deliver time is 48 months. However, the company is far ahead of this timeline and is giving of deliver the projects within 36 to 42 months before the time of the project timings. Apart from this, Signature Global has recently been founded by the International Finance Corporation (IFC) World Bank Group. The International Financial Corporation (IFC) World Bank is an international financial institute that offers investment, advisory, and asset management services to encourage private sector to develop in the less developed countries. The IFC is member of the World Bank Group. Signature Global today is present in developing residential, commercial, and retail destinations. So, thank you.
Thank you, Pradeep, for the elaborate description of Signature Global. As Surabhi mentioned, PropTiger is a real estate consulting company which has been in operation since 2011. We are the major contributors for Category A developers across India, and we have our offices in all the metro cities of India. So that's about PropTiger. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Sunny. Before we begin, let me show you why Sector 36 Sona continues to enjoy buyers' attention over the years. Here's a video for all our viewers.
With a phenomenal growth in per capita income, home to nearly 500 MNCs, of which more than 250 are Fortune 500 companies, blessed with unparalleled social infrastructure and connectivity, Gurugram is truly the Millennium City. With its proximity to Delhi, it not only benefits from its commercial standings but leverages its political mileage as well. The increase in commercial activities paired with various infrastructure upgrades has helped Gurugram real estate to thrive. Primarily being the favored destination for mid and upper ticket size housing units, the presence of corporate offices has given an added boost to this factor. With this, the demand for housing is not just sustainable but is also increasing. Sector 36 Sona is located in the south of Gurugram, home to the Damdama Lake, one of Haryana's largest natural lakes. It is flanked by the Aravalli Mountains on one side and is popular for its hot sulfur springs, known to have medicinal properties. It has green cover of more than 2,600 acres. Nearness to Golf Course Extension Road and Southern Peripheral Road, and a hassle-free drive from Rajiv Chowk, NH8, Subhash Chowk and Hero Honda Chowk, Sector 36 Sona in Gurugram boasts of superior connectivity. On 8-lane highway near the foothills of Aravalli Mountains, close to the proposed metro line that connects with Huda city centre, the location is a paradise away from city noises, yet in close proximity of commercial sector. Sector 36 Sona has quite a few benchmark projects launched by renowned developers and has witnessed a tremendous demand in the last few years. One such premier developer is Signature Global. Founded by a set of seasoned professionals with an aim to amalgamate global standards and quality to Indian real estate industry, the group showcases a profound experience of multiple decades in stock market and financial state sector. Signature Global Group aspires to deliver some of India's most innovative real estate projects developed. One such project is Signature Global Park. It is a haven where old majestic hills surround your modern home. Away from the sooty pollution of city, this pristine setting takes you to the pinnacle of blissful living. Situated in the lap of nature, Signature Global Park is designed to entice you with exquisite architecture and exclusive location. The project is divided into 3 phases that is spread over 23.14 acres. A perfect blend of beauty and comfort, the premium floors truly redefine fine living as a fine art in a world-class gated community. Come home to Signature Global Park and open the gate to luxury, far from ordinary and close to everything you need.
That was indeed an interesting take on this location. Let's get to some question answers. So, Mr. Deepak, please tell us how is Sector 36 Sona as an investment destination and what is the scope of development like?
If we talk about Sector 36 Sona, south of Gurgaon, as we call it, it's located on 8-lane highway, that is 160 meters highway, with a large number of premium residential and commercial projects. And there are many projects which are in the proximity and which enjoy good connectivity with NH8, Golf Course Extension Road, KMT, and IMT Manesar. And if I talk about the pipeline of the infrastructure development, which would be in the near future, which is very immense in that particular area. And once these projects are completed, capital value, if I talk about the capital value in that locality, in a distance of 10 minutes, that would be 9,000 to 10,000 per square feet. It's already over there. Further, if I talk about the residential projects in that area, which are under construction, and they're about near possession, the capital value will immensely increase in that particular area. And the affordable pricing in that area will definitely increase if I talk about in the coming year. Thus, investing in this particular sector 36 today, it means a lot of investment sense.
My next question is for Ms. Geeta. Can you tell us about the USPs of Signature Global Residences and what do you think will appeal to home buyers?
So many USPs that I can count.
Ms. Geeta, you are on mute.
There's lots of USPs we have in the project, but some of I have a highlight here, like dedicated club perfect. There's 24/7 play area, parking you can say for that, gymnasium, water storage and firefighting equipment, swimming pool and pool decks, jogging track, skating rink, outdoor gym, and lots of play area for the kids and for the activities over there.
Great. That's great. So, Mr. Sunny, tell us, in terms of price movement as also inventory movement, how does Sona Road corridor fare?
Thanks, Surbi. This is one of the questions that is one of the most relevant questions. So this particular sector has seen a lot of correction in the last 3 years, I would say. But majorly, it has been in the luxury projects that were launched maybe 3 to 4 years back. But now with the new infrastructure getting ready over time, prices have started seeing an upward trend in the past 8 to 9 months. With connectivity from Sona Road that is supposed to get ready by next year, it will hardly take about 20 minutes to reach the sector from Sona Road in Gurgaon. So the prices here are bound to increase in the near future.
Okay. Mr. Pradeep, can you help us by telling who is your target audience and which age group is most active when it comes to property buying in this market?
As far as concerned of the target audience, the age group between 20 to 40, right, and investing as it is going to their first home. Mostly end user who want to premium luxury for an affordable pricing, as the project is under Deen Dayal Yojana. So there is a number of you can say a number of profits over there. So people who want to have their second home in the cemetery of the Aravlis, close to nature. These are our target audience.
All right. Mr. Deepak, could you also throw some lights on the available units and sizes of units available at Signature Global Park?
The voice is not audible right now.
Mr. Deepak, can you hear my question?
Hello?
Yeah, can you help us by telling some on available units and size of units available at Signature Global Park?
Sure. If I talk about Signature Global Park, the total area over there is 23 acres. And this particular project has been launched in different phases. So, and this project is designed by architect, which is Hafiz contractor. And the project comprises of both commercial and residential units. And if I talk about residential unit, it has 2 BHK and 3 BHK units, which ranges from about 7 to 49 square feet. And the pricing, if I talk about pricing, it starts from 37 lakhs to 70 lakhs. And the area, if I talk about, it's very good. And the family, 2-bedroom, if I talk about the family, 4 people can live over there very good. And
All right. Moving on to our next segment, I would like to request Team Signature Global to walk us through the project presentation for the benefit of our viewers.
See, our
Signature Global Park. In Signature Global Park, this is one of the project of Signature Global, which is the #1 affordable housing company. Now our mission is Har Parivar Ek Ghar. In Signature Global, we always recommend to customers to have wonderful facilities, and in this Signature Global is 21st century affordable housing company established in 2014. In a span of 6 years, we become #1 affordable housing company with a tagline of "Apna ghar to apna hi hota hai."
Signature Global is a company which has been established in a span of about 5 to 10 years. We have established a lot. And we have got about 16 projects. And if I talk about this particular project, it's Signature Global Park. We have 23 acres of land over here. And the project has been launched in different phases. Here we have got 2 BHK, 3 BHK flats, and got residential and commercial units over here. And you can see the entrance over here. It's from the road, the main road over here. And in the starting, if you see, there's commercial units. And the inside of it is complete 23 acres of land, which comprises of green area, the commercial area, and the residential area. It's still +4, and all the units have their lifts inside over there. And it's launched in 2 phases. 576 units are there. We have got pool over here, and there's a club facility where you have got deck facility over there, and the club is of about 50,000 square feet. And it's an immense club where all the people can enjoy over there. And we have got badminton facility. We have got many facilities over there where the kids can enjoy. Here you can see the elevation of ground +4 over here. And you can see how we can reach this Signature Global Park, Sector 36. You can reach from Rajiv Chowk, which is connected to NH8. Now you can reach from Kundli Manesar Palwal Highway. You can reach from Sona Road over there. And you can reach from Vatika Chowk, which is about 8 kilometers. You can reach to the site. From Rajiv Chowk, it's 13 kilometers. You can reach to the site. There are many connectivities over there where you can reach to the site. There's KMP directly connected to the site. And there is 160 meters highway, which is coming over there, the Sona Highway, where you can reach to the site. There is coming up Industrial Mumbai corridor, which would be making an immense there would be a very good projection in the near future. You can see there are many, and it's in the base of Aravali. So that's the main thing over there. You got the greenery over there. And if you see the Badshahpur Chowk, it's 90 minutes drive. Subhash Chowk is 25 minutes drive. Rajiv Chowk is 30 minutes drive. And from Huda City Center, that's the main center over here, it's 43 minutes drive over here from here. And if I talk about, it's near to the Golf Course Extension Road, SPR, Southern Peripheral Road, and it would be directly connected from Sona Elevated Corridor. And if I talk about, the distance would be just about 15 minutes from Rajiv Chowk. There are dedicated lifts over there, dedicated parking. There would be a jogging track and play area for the kids. There would be outdoor gym facilities. There would be multiple lawn facilities, and there would be area where you can meditate. There would be a place where there would be a half badminton court over there. There would be gazebo, amphitheater for the people, and as I told you, there's a swimming pool over there. These are the few amenities which are provided in this particular area, and all the rooms are spacious and ventilated. Can we move forward?
We always prefer, branded materials like a development LED lighting.
If you see there, all the fittings over there which we are using are branded. There is LED lightings over there. There are lifts which would be using would be Otis, and the sanitary fittings are even branded. So all the things which we are using over here are of very good quality. We are using solar panels over here. So you can see the green over here. There's an immense green cover over here. We have got parks. इसके अंदर अगर जब आप enter करेंगे तो आप देख सकते हैं the blue area that you have, that's the club facility we have over here, the swimming pool facility, the park over here. When you enter this particular, right, there we have got commercial in the area. Commercial and residential are mixed up over here. 24/7 security is there. So if you enter this particular society, all the facilities you will be getting over there. There's security. This particular size is 745 square feet, and it has got 2-bedroom flats, 1 toilet, and 1 WC. There will be 3 parkings in this particular area. There is a dedicated lift, and in this you have got 3 balconies. The next size is of 822 square feet, which has got 3 balconies, and the area is 94 square meter, and the pricing is 37 lakhs, and it's 2 BHK, 1 toilet, and 1 WC. The next area is 145 square feet. It's again 2 BHK. Now we have 2 BHK plus study and 2 toilet, and we have got next size would be 3 BHK plus 2 toilet. This 2 BHK plus study and 2 toilet is costing somewhere around 52 lakh rupees. The 3 BHK and 2 toilet would be costing somewhere around 54 lakh rupees. And the other size is 3 BHK, 3 toilet. Can we move it forward? It's 3 BHK and 3 toilet. It would be somewhere around 64 lakh 50,000 rupees. If we talk about the makes and brands, you can see the type of flooring that we have got. We have got vitrified tiles over here. The paints that we are using is Berger Dual X, and the paint is the best in quality. The doors and windows that we are using, it's Merino and Bhutan tough that we are using the plies. The handles which we are using is Ipsa. The steel fittings that we are using and
Mr. Deepak, we cannot hear you. Your voice is not clear.
can you hear me? Am I audible?
Pradeep ji, I think there's some network problem at
Yeah.
Deepak's end. Can you take over from here?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, apart from this, basically we are, the other feature and fittings, we always use a branded one. Whatever we have committed, we definitely deliver. This is our track record. So this is the main things. Apart from this, major USP you can say for this project. In this, we have a sizes starting from this 745, as Deepak mentioned, in 1440, and this, as far as concerned the ticket pricing, which is starting from 37 lakh rupees, which is one of the best USP you can say. In Delhi NCR, the property is starting from 35 lakhs to 70 lakh rupees. So we have a different size of units over there with a dedicated parking, as Deepak mentioned over there. Apart from this, lifts over there. So this you can say a project USP where we are number one, you can say.
So, Surbhi, I think we should move to the audience questions. Let's open this up for the audience.
Yes, thank you team for the presentation. We'll be picking some audience questions now. So the first question is from Ms. Kalyani. So she's asking, is there a benefit of siding with branded developers today? Prices are high and chances of delay are plenty. Mr. Pradeep, would you like to answer that?
Please, again, I pardon, please. Your voice is not audible.
Okay, I'm asking, is there a benefit of siding with branded developers now? Prices are high and chances of delays are plenty. Ms. Kalyani is asking this.
Yes, sure. Yes, there is a benefit of siding with big brands. People like us, as far as concern of this, in comparison of other developer, our pricing is already less. Our track record is to deliver the projects in time. As I earlier mentioned, as in a current scenario, signature, especially in Delhi NCR, signature means we definitely delivers. Our track record, last 3 years, if we're talking about, every 3 months. Every 3 months we have delivered one project before the timeline. So yes, of course, other builder comparison, there are builder, number of builders are facing a number of problems, but in our case, whatever we have promised, we deliver. This is our track record. So you can say, branded developer, of course, yes.
Great. Mr. Tanmay is asking, I want a tour of this property online. Is it possible? How can I be assured that it is genuine also? Mr. Sunny, would you like to take that up?
Sure. Tanmay, yes, our team will get in touch with you and show you a virtual tour of this property post this webinar. It is very much possible to do a property tour online. All the information that we provide or the developer provides can be checked with what is available on the RERA website, which is a basic tool which anyone should use while cross-checking information, whether the information provided by the CP or by the developer is in tune with what's mentioned on the website of RERA. So you can be assured that all the details will be genuine. It's in tune with RERA.
Thank you, Mr. Sunny. Mr. Sharma is asking, in the worst case scenario, if the possession is delayed after 2023, will I be able to approach RERA? Mr. Deepak, can you hear this question? Can you answer this?
To answer this question, I would like to say, first of all, that this scenario will never.
Mr. Deepak, your voice is not clear.
To answer this question,
We cannot
No,
hear you.
I think there's some network issue. Pradeep ji, can you take that up?
Yeah, sure. See, as far as concern of this, your question, can I please, again, can you please ask me again?
Yeah,
About
sure.
the RERA, right? See,
Yeah.
as I already mentioned, as per RERA, yes, we have already followed all the guidelines, which is given by the Haryana government policy. As for RERA, we have already committed whatever we have delivered. In case till date in RERA, we don't have a single case regarding the position. So this is one of the best things. So definitely, I'm assuring to the concerned person in signature, you are never finding this kind of problem regarding position, because in current situation COVID-19, our all site construction is already going on at all sites.
Great, that's great. So, Mr. Agrawal is asking, in the next 5 years, can I expect a good capital appreciation at this location? Mr. Pradeep, would you like to answer that?
Yeah. Sure. As far as the lot of residential, commercial, and institutional development are going on, we can expect a good capital appreciation looking at this current scenario. See, as per the market situation, the average capital value is is around somewhere around 4,500 to 5,000 rupees. At most of the projects under construction and the rental market is yet to be developed. However, the residential sector within this driving distance of 10 minutes, such as sector 33, 68, command a monthly rent over around 20,000 rupees from approx of 2 BHK flats. So yes, definitely, capitalization values in next 5 years is going up very good in this area.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Pradeep. So the next question is from Mr. Gupta itself. What is the booking value as of now, and what will be the refund in case of any problem? Mr. Sunny, would you like to answer that?
Sure. So the unit can be blocked with a token amount of 1 lakh rupees, which is a completely refundable amount in case you do not want to go ahead with the project post the lockdown and once your visit is done. In case you find anything is not as per your requirement, this is a 100% refundable. So we can block in your unit by just paying 1 lakh rupees.
That's great. So, Mr. Vivek is asking, we are a family of 4 and looking to invest in a 3 BHK in a reputed construction. We have 2 kids and we want to ensure that Sector 36 Sona is a safe location to invest in. Please help. Ms. Geeta, would you like to take that up, please?
Yeah, sure, of course. See, the society to be well guarded.
Ms. Geeta, you are not audible. Can you speak a little louder?
Is it audible now?
Yeah, perfect. Now perfect. Yeah.
Right. I'm saying the society is planned to be well guarded by a 24 main entrance market complex within the society. There is no need to go outside over there. So, in a highway property, the vehicle movement in is no dark is under the dark area also.
Okay. Mr. Pradeep, would you like to add something?
Yes, as concern of this, this particular question, we have starting from 745 to 1440 square feet units. See, there's a dedicated lift over there. The society are very well connected. You can see the gated communities. The people are over there is feel very safe in terms of very small family in case. So there is a high retail market over there. In terms of there is a park over there. So everything is one place. So there is no point to go out about this. Apart from this colony, so yes, of course, this is one of the best places to live in rest of upcoming years.
Thank you. So Mr. Tanmay is asking, please help. Is it safe time to buy now? Also, if I wait, can I expect better discounts and concessions? Mr. Sunny, would you like to take that, please?
Sure. This is definitely one of those times which the industry has never seen before because of this coronavirus thing. In terms of the payment plans and the offers which are available from reputed developers, also home loan interest rates are at about 7.15%. The value of rupee has depreciated against the dollar, which is making it a very lucrative deal for NRI buyers to put in their money at this point of time. Thereby, I can vouch that this is one of the best times you can choose your home and the home of your choice. I think property prices will only shoot up further in the nearing future, citing that there are increase in input costs for the developer in terms of both the labor and the raw material which is available to them at this point of time. So I think this is one of the best times one should go in and make a purchase of their dream home.
Okay, Ms. Nancy is asking, is there a price advantage if I invest in Sector 36 Sona and not any other upcoming locality? Mr. Pradeep.
The value of the property will increase more than compared with the other sector, which are distance as this compared of this our property. And right now the investment is the initial stage, so the property value is definitely will go up. So this is one of the best places you can invest right now.
Mr. Sanjay is asking, I am a bachelor looking to buy a property in Signature Global Park. Can you tell me whether there's any subvention plan? Mr. Pradeep, would you like to take that?
Yeah, as far as concerned subvention plan, you see, we don't have as such subvention plan because we always believe to deliver the project in time. So we have a timely payment plan where we have constructed the property. So in this market, everybody is a little bit scared, where we are not always offering a 10, 90 and whatever it is. See, as far as the RBI guideline, also the subvention is not you can say not a approved payment plan. So we are always follow the TLP, but our TLP payment is where the client have some space to breathe. We have take the money in a quarterly basis, you can say. So we have a payment plan of CLP plan or TLP payment plan, you can say.
So Mr. Krishna is asking, please let me know which banks can help me with home loans. I am a middle class buyer and I wish to buy this property within a month. So Mr. Pradeep, would you like to take that?
Yeah, sure. As far as concerned of this bank facility, all the leading institutional banks like SGFC, ICICI, and other reputed banks are already project funded with us, and we have loan facilities from all the leading banks. So whatever your bank talking about is IHFL or you can IFFL, ICCI, and HFC is there. So we have all the bank tie-up with all the major banks. We have apart from this, we have a in-house team. So within 24 hours you get the sanction letter. If the client books the house, so before the house he is fully aware how much he get the sanction letter for the loan eligibility.
So Mr. Pushkar is asking, are there any hidden charges if I buy property from PropTiger? How does PropTiger work if there is a zero charges for customers? Mr. Sunny, would you like to take that?
Absolutely. There are no hidden charges if they buy a property through PropTiger. In fact, how we work is that our monetization is from the developer side. In fact, all the services that we provide to our home buyers is absolutely free of charge. So all documentation work that is required from the booking of the property till you get the handover of the property, we are there with you at each and every step. And all these services are absolutely free of charge for the buyer.
So Mr. Ranjan is asking, what are the maintenance charges in this project and what are the facilities for families with kids? Mr. Pradeep, would you like to answer that?
As far as the maintenance charges, we have a very nominal charges over there. And apart from this, yes, definitely we have a club over there and other facilities, so that there is a nominal charges. Apart from this, we don't have too much charges because it's a gated community or it's not a you can say high-rise building. So it's our charges are very nominal. It's around 2.5 paisa or 3 paisa, and whatever it is. So this is we have charged very nominal charges.
Okay. Our next question is from Mr. Ankit. And he's asking, how do you update about construction status? Mr. Pradeep, would you like to answer that?
Your voice is related. Could you please pardon?
Yeah. How do you update home buyers about construction status? Mr. Ankit is asking this.
See, as far as about the construction update, we have regular basis. We have shared all the pics on our website. Apart from this, on a weekly, on a 15 basis, on 15 days, we have sent the emails to our home buyers. Every home buyers. Apart from this, whosoever are interested to visit the site, we have a scheduled planning for the site visits, and definitely we take up from the home. We have provided the facilities to cab from the home to sites and drop the gate. So you can check that on a regular basis.
So Ms. Sashi is asking, how big is this project? Will there be enough greenery in the compound once it is ready? And how builder will ensure this?
Personally, I would like to mention one thing. We have awarded number of times. The IGBCL, we have followed all the norms which is under greenery. And our project, every project, not because of this, in this project, we have our own project. We have 40%, more than 40% greenery is there. So there is a place you can enjoy, nature, enjoy the nature. So we have a number of, space for our greenery.
So Mr. Prakash is asking, what are the exclusive offers and discounts that I can expect from Signature Global if I pay the booking amount now? Mr. Deepak, can you hear us? And if yes, can you answer this question, please?
Sure. Am I audible now?
Yeah, you are.
Okay. If I talk about the discounts or the offers that we have right now, there are many offers which Signature Global has from time to time. But at the moment, if I talk about the offer that we have, we are running a scheme of gold coin at the time of booking, which the customer can get. And as you know, the booking amount is 1 lakh rupees. So once you book the flat, you will be getting the gold coin from Signature.
I think this is an important one, and I couldn't hear that. Yeah, Pradeep ji, please elaborate on this. So we have a hot lead, and one customer is interested in booking the apartment. I think we need to answer this clearly.
Yeah, sure. See, as far as concern of the offer and going on the offer, number of offer are going time to time. But yes, as of now for this special webinar, who are interested to book the flat right now, we are offering till 30th June. Give a 10-gram gold coins on each booking. In case of this, apart from this, he has a right to retain and refuse scheme also till 30th June. In case if you deposit right now, we will give you a 10-gram gold coins till 30th June.
Wow, that's great.
Okay.
Now, Mr. Mridul is asking, how is the social infrastructure in Sona Sector 36? Mr. Pradeep, you answer that.
Yeah, social infrastructure is talking about there is a number of development over there. There is a 6-lane corridor working over there. Apart from this, there are a number of institutional, a big institution over there. GD Goenka, you're talking about KR Mangalam is there. Apart from this, there are a number of projects. More than today's current scenario, more than around 800 families are already staying over there. Apart from this, in the entire Gurgaon, if I'm talking about the entire Gurgaon, only there is a one belt which is in Sona Road, which is hardly less than, you can say now it's a part of Gurgaon, where our project is located, which is Sector 36. It's a part of, you can say, so first entry sector in Sona. It's a verge by Gurgaon in Sona. So this is one of the best property where we are located. Apart from this, there is a bang on this highway. So yes, of course, yes, this is one of the best place.
Great. So Ms. Mala has some related question to this. How is the connectivity in this locality? Mr. Pradeep, would you like to take?
Yeah, connectivity in terms of we have from Rajiv Chowk, as one of my colleagues already mentioned here. See, in Rajiv Chowk, less than 5-10 minutes drive after the corridor is completed, right? Apart from this, there is a Golf Extension Road is there. Golf Extension Vatika Chowk, Bashapur is hardly less than 5-10 minutes drive. So you can say heart of this Gurgaon, you can say. Apart from the Delhi Mumbai corridor, industrial corridor is there. Easy drive through Sona Elevated Road is there. So you can say this is one of the easily approachable sites.
So Ms. Shweta is asking, what are the price trends for Signature Global Park in the last 6 months?
See, our pricing, we are not, we are very much, very much, you can say, consider with our pricing as we are dealing affordable housing. So we don't want to much, disturb our pricing frequently. So as far as concerned our pricing is starting from already, we have an affordable pricing. So our ticket size is already 4,500 rupees. In Delhi NCR, you can never ever find unit 2 BHK starting from 40 lakh rupees. So
we have a lot of audience questions pouring in, but unfortunately we are running out of time. So I would request our panelists to give their closing remarks, starting with Mr. Pradeep. And please do repeat the offers for our viewers.
As far as concerned the offers, I thank you once again who are joining with us and give us such a nice opportunity to collect from this platform. And one more special thanks to Team PropTiger. As far as concerned of this again offer, this is the right time to buy. I can say apart from this is the right time where you get 10-gram gold coins on booking this with a retain and refuse scheme. So once again, thank you so much.
So Sunny?
Yeah, thank you everyone for joining us today. We hope we have been able to make this session knowledgeable for you and you are able to make a decision about your home in the coming future. Hope you and your families are safe and sound. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Thank you panelists for joining in. Thank you viewers for watching. Feel free to drop your queries on our social media channels. We'll see you soon in the next episode of our Project Talk series. Till then, take care. Goodbye.